Hey YouTube, Brick Family bringing you a Lego Lawnmower MOC. Kind of copied my Craftsman lawn tractor. It's a 1500. Made the trailer and all. Of course you gotta have the cup holder. It's a pretty little easy build here. The trailer even comes off. It's pretty playable. Just did some couple 2x4 bricks in there to get the tires to the right height. Little trailer hitch, and these are just blocks to make a trailer around the gray plate. Tractor's a little bit more challenging. It can actually fall apart on the back end, but it's not too bad. This part here tends to fall off. Just 1x4s with 1x3s, and then a 1x2. Put on a little trailer hitch. Just kind of sits there, so as long as you're kind of gentle, it works good. Did my best to get the tractor level. So I put the wheels, the big wheels on top of the 2x4 gray plate. Kind of just made it level with some 1x2s in there. But it's a pretty cool little tractor. Just trying to copy my Craftsman tractor. Thanks for watching.